Universal Souvenir Glasses and Sunglasses Repair Kit. Black. Important. Please check the measurements of each item before you buy the product to be sure the size of pieces in the repair kit matches your glasses. Important. Please check and verify the picture for more measurement of each piece is included in the repair kit. Compact plastic black case repair kit comes with a lot of items. Spacers, nuts, storage, case, approximately 38 pieces in the kit. So if you buy this off of Amazon, it's $6.59.